Did you know calcium mineral block? For today's video, join me as I replenish my bird's mineral block. First, let me explain the benefits of calcium mineral blocks for our birds. Benefits for our birds: provides birds with a premium source of calcium for strong bones and optimal growth, boost general bird health, ensure strong bones and solid eggshell. Boost general bird health, ensure strong bones and solid eggshell. Embedded with an assortment of natural premium ingredients. Rich in vitamins and mineral and aids in digestion as well as absorbing certain microbes and their toxins in the stomach. Keeps beaks trim while providing foraging enrichment. Check out in the yellow basket now.